Everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam, and I'm back. Yay! Had a really good vacation. Just thought I'd show you just very few things that I picked up from there. But then I wanted to show you something fun I got for my bags, and then I got some, I guess you could technically say, some new bags to show you. And yeah, so without further ado, I mentioned in my vlog that I went to Bucky's, and this is one of the things I got from there, this Bucky shirt. And on the back it lists all the places there's Bucky's, and it includes Sevierville. And then they finally had the Sevierville shirts, because they come out with the Bucky's from wherever they have them. And every time I've been in Sevierville Bucky's, they haven't had a Sevierville shirt. So now I have the Sevierville shirt, and it's the second Bucky's I've been to another one in Kentucky. And there's two in Tennessee, but I don't know if I'll go to the other one. And this one has all the places where there's Bucky's on the back, including Sevierville. And eventually I'll probably have to get one for Wisconsin, because I think they're putting one in here. And then I got one other quick shirt here, but this wasn't from Bucky's. This I was just going to show you. I picked up another Great Smoky Mountain shirt that I thought was really fun. So, otherwise, we didn't bring home a lot of souvenirs.
Rocks.
This time, yeah, I have a rock garden beside the driveway, and I like getting rocks for that. So we got one that said, "We love the Great Smoky Mountains." And then I had one that they had pre-made with a bear on it. They're both really, really cool. I'll have to take pictures and show them sometime, because they're really neat. And I got it from the rock shop that I show in my video. And I got another one that says Great Smoky Mountains 2025, all from the rock shop. And other than that, and the stuff from Bucky's, and then this t-shirt, which wasn't from Bucky's, I think that's about all I got. A book and
Butterfingers.
That was it. Yeah, candy from this awesome shop that makes these homemade Butterfinger candies, and they are to die for. They're so good. So, what do I have to show you that's bag related? One thing I'm going to show you, I got something for my bags that's in here. And I have this, my very first purse that I remember is a white faux leather one, and in it I had a little Avon mirror. It originally had perfume in it, and then the mirrors, it's got, like, you hang on to it with a little golden handle, and then there's the mirror, and it's got had perfume in it, but my mom must have had it, or my grandma, and once they used it, I got to keep the mirror, and I thought it was so cool. One other thing I got, and I don't ever remember seeing it in the box, but I must have, was this. And I know I have that purse. I believe I have that purse somewhere here in this house, but I don't know where. And if I still do, what I have in this container would be in there as well. But since I don't know where it is, and I thought, I could make this work as a bag charm. I went on eBay and bought one new in box. These are from 1970. Well, let's see if it says in here.
You're going to be able to see that?
Yep, I actually had 1974. So these came out in 74. And you've probably seen ones like them, but this one was new in box. And I got this little roller bunny. Her little feet move. And then what she actually is a... Okay, let me try not to break this when I open it. Okay, I'm having bad luck here. Trying to show you how I open it.
See, she didn't attend the pre-production meeting where we actually opened this beforehand.
Okay, it opens super... Oh, am I doing it the wrong way? Yes. I tried to open it from the bottom. It opens from the top. It's got perfume in it. That is perfume that smells Not nearly as good now as it did then, but then it probably didn't smell the best even then. So it still has a perfume in it. I don't care. I'm not using that. But this is typically a pin.
It's bunny farts.
But I thought that I could put a, like I think I have some over here even. Like this on the back here. And turn this, eventually, I might have to put 2 of these together. But turn it into a bag charm for my bags. And since I have a lot of bags that this would go with, like let's just grab this one. Wouldn't that look cute? Like hanging off there?
Cute.
Yeah, or this, I could even, if it's thick enough, it would take some work, but put it on its little thing like that. Stop shaking your head. It's awesome. So,
I need to go back on vacation.
I need to go back on vacation. So I was so excited about this. So, I wanted to show you. He's just so cute. I think he's called Rabbit, but okay.
I think it's Rabid Rabbit.
All right, and now my new bags are actually in here. Oh, there was my address.
123 Main Street.
Yes.
Anywhere, Wisconsin.
Very true. I'll have to make sure we blurred that out. But
Unless they
believe it or
want
not,
a sun-spotted cow.
Right, they're here. I got 3 things. Yeah, there's actually 3 things in here. 2 are bags. So
Are they blow-up bags?
nope. They are from Marc Jacobs.
Oh, yeah.
And Marc Jacobs was having a sale.
Of course they were.
So I got, you know now, don't you? You know what? Do you know what color?
Oh, Lord.
Stop it. Got this little green bag. I got a piece of tape stuck to my finger now that doesn't want to come off. I don't know how I managed that. Okay, so I got this one, and these are little bags. They zip up. Here, let's see if I can.
I think you should do a bag swap video into one of those sometime.
No, that won't work. Here, I'll just show them. I already have one. And so they have a little zipper compartment. And they actually, I haven't taken this one out here. They come with a chain that's removable. So now I thought these go so pretty together. I'm looking in the mirror. Aren't they cute? So I got this new green bag to go with my pink one. And then I got this bag.
Is that another green one?
Yes. Another green bag.
Because you can never have too much green.
True.
Sarcasm.
No. Looks like somebody must have already opened this one. But I don't care. Here you can see the little chain here.
Can you fit that on your wrist?
Okay, so you can't crossbody it. It's just a wrist thing. Okay, well.
Sure you can if you're Barbie.
Yeah, I could crossbody it. You could hook a thing onto here and to here and crossbody it.
Uh-huh.
So you could. This zipper though, boy, it's like way out here. And why is it? Oh, I think somebody flipped it the wrong way.
They flip it. They flip it good.
Yeah.
Bum 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 bum. Bum bum. Bum. Music interlude. Dun 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 dun. Correct that whip. Break your mom's back. Sorry.
Yeah, you're good. Okay, so it's just sticking out. Okay. I will eventually get this. There we go.
Oh, we're back.
Yeah, and then it zips up.
But does it?
Yes.
Does it?
Yes, it does.
Hmm.
Okay. I gotta find a bag big enough to put them both on.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. They'd be so pretty together. So I got these 2 bags. I couldn't decide which green. So I got them both. They were on sale. And then
Solves every problem. Get them both.
I got one other thing from there. Okay, here's my receipt. This.
A small corn dog?
No.
Pickle on a stick.
No.
Harmonica?
You're probably getting warmer, but no. Because it's not food, so I guess anything non-food would be closer. You can kind of hear it jingling.
Loose change.
Ooh, that'd be nice. I don't think they sell that there.
Smashed pennies.
No, that'd really be good too. Somebody said I should start getting a smashed penny from every state. I agree. I need to start trying to do that. Although I don't know that I'll ever get to Hawaii or Alaska to get those. But I got this chain.
You gonna show us, or you gonna keep playing with the plastic?
So each.
Okay.
But I just thought this was a fun little
It's a dog chain.
chunky chain.
It's a collar.
So
Who's
I
a
thought
good boy?
Stop it. I thought it would be cute, like on my like one of my horse bags,
Or a horse.
or
Sure. I don't think
you
you
can
put collars on a horse.
You could put a. Would you stop it? Let's see. What else could I put it on right here now? Sure, nothing that I see.
Where's your
that I
son,
wanna
Connor?
Put it on right away. Stop it.
Neighbor's dog, Oogie.
Yeah. Okay, I'll just grab the horse bag. I wanted to grab the black one, although it's already got one on. It's the black one that already has a chain on.
Double chain it.
Yeah.
That way you can travel better in the snow.
You can see though, those who have bought this chain. This chain is from Amazon.
Oh, where's this other one from?
Marc Jacobs.
Oh. Totally different links.
Yep.
Totally. For sure.
They're both the same size. This is the Marc Jacob one with the flat. And this is the Amazon one. Boy, they both weigh about the same though. The Amazon one's pretty substantial. And they're both the same size, or what is that? Maybe 12? Is my tape measure over there?
It is.
Can I have it? Let's just...
Good catch.
Thanks. Take after my husband, who was a pitcher.
Not a belly itcher.
So... 22 inches, about?
That's what she said.
So, you bitch.
No, I don't.
So, no.
Nobody does.
So, yeah, there we go. So I got that too. Obviously I'm not going to put two chains on that bag.
You could start a new trend.
True. But,
Yo, it's
no.
2 chains, James.
Right? That's what I have, Saturday's video is going to be a new bag. An actual bag, not a little bag.
Not a bag charm.
Right. Actually, a bag. Yeah, I can carry bag. And it's from a brand that I don't technically have anything from. And a chain like that would
Kohl's?
be really cool. No, would be really, not that there's anything wrong with that, but would go really, really cool. So they've actually had some really nice looking bags
Have they
lately.
upped their game?
Kohl's has, yes.
Whoa.
I keep on getting ads, and they have this fuchsia colored pink purse. And I can't tell you how many. I've probably clicked on that ad 4 or 5 times now, just because bright fuchsia pink gets me.
They know your search engine.
Right.
They've done the algorithms. They know you.
Right.
She's a
So
shopaholic who loves pink.
yes.
Booyah.
So yeah. My next video, I'll be showing you a new bag, and that chain would go perfect on it. And so stick around. I generally put out luxury and contemporary handbag related content
items
on Wednesdays and Saturdays, or like small leather goods, things like that. Occasionally I'll show you other things, like showing you my shirt and stuff like that. On, let's see, Mondays or Tuesdays, generally Mondays, I do a bag swap from my current bag to my next bag, and I give you a little bit of information on my bags, and I switch out the small leather goods as well. Every other Thursday, I do a book-related video. So not this week, but next week, there will be a book-related video. And you can find me over on Instagram if you haven't already. I'm there at James Jam. It's JAME _S _Jam. If you're not subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you did subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel. I'm slowly climbing up to 3,000, and just super, super excited about it. I am reminded pretty much daily how special this channel is to me, and the friendships I've made have been just incredible. So just thank you to everybody out there, and leave a comment. I do answer all my comments, and I love when I get comments. I think that's everything for today. So until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Leave a comment if you'd like to see her swap out into one of the tiny bags from today.